It's time to stop procrastinating and start empowering yourself. The time to start a fit lifestyle is now. And this video will explain to you ways to live and maintain a healthy lifestyle. My name is Isaiah Leon, and I am a healthy lifestyle enthusiast. There is one phrase that you've probably heard before in your life, and that is that there are three parts to fitness. And this is indubitably the truth. There are, and those three parts are strength training, cardio, and nutrition. In acquiring my personal trainer certificate, not only have I learned techniques on how to properly train your body, but also easy solutions and alterations to help make the transition to this specific lifestyle more fluid. Now, today I'm going to talk about a topic that most people have a problem with, and that's going to be nutrition. From suburban mothers to Ironman finishers, performance is directly tied to diet. If you want to train at the peak of your ability and recover properly and quickly, you must be intentional about what you eat, taking care to feed your body what it needs. Trying to work out with an unhealthy body that is starving for essential nutrients will only end in frustration. And frustration eats at your momentum, not to mention your gains. Make the most of every minute you work out by fueling your body sensibly. Now let's look at the basics. There are three nutrients that you need to be concerned with, and those are going to be carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. An eating strategy that balances these three macronutrients will skyrocket your fitness results. Now on to the first, carbohydrates. Some argue that carbohydrates are the most important nutrients because carbs fuel muscles, which is true, but not necessarily a fact that they're the most important. Every time you move, however, one of your muscles, you are using carbs. So, in that sense, they are pretty essential. Your body breaks down carbs into sugars and then stores them into your muscles and liver. If you eat more than can be stored in either of these places, then your body stores that excess fat as body fat. So remember, carbs at night always go to the mix section. Now this section of your plate should be about the size of your fist. And good sources of carbs are going to be whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and beans. Now on to the next macronutrient, protein. Protein is probably, in my opinion, one of the most essential macronutrient of them all. And that is because protein is the basis of all muscle. It is important to eat protein daily because your body cannot store protein very easily. And in order to build muscle, your body needs protein. Without a solid muscle base also, you will be ineffective in any fitness pursuit, really. More muscle also means increased metabolism as well. And by increasing your metabolism, your body can more efficiently remove glucose from your bloodstream, which in turn lessens your chance for diabetes. Protein from animal sources is the easiest way to get complete protein because they contain all of the essential amino acids that your body needs. But plant proteins can be combined to provide complete protein as well. In my opinion, it is so essential in the development of muscles and as a fact in every aspect of growth in your body. This section of your plate should be about 2 palms full. Now onto fats. It is unfortunate that fats have come under such fire during the last decade or so because, contrary to popular belief, eating fat does not necessarily cause you to gain fat. Fat is essential and you need a lot of it. Fat is the fuel that we want our bodies to run on instead of carbohydrates, which we burn through rather quickly and end up wanting more to eat. The key is to know what kind of fats to eat though. Avoid anything that is hydrogenated or partially hydrogenated. And in other words, ignore trans fats altogether. Instead, try to get the majority of your fats from olive oils, coconut oil, nuts, seeds, avocados, wild-caught fish, free-range animal products such as butter, cheese, and yogurt. And let's not mention beef, poultry, and pork. This section of your plate should be about 2 thumbfuls. Depending on how active you are on a daily basis, your body calls for a certain amount of calories a day. However, generally our body needs about 2,000 calories. from those 2,000 calories, our body needs a certain amount to be from each macronutrient group: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Now, depending on your body type, your intake of each food group differs. For example, if you are a runner with generally slim physique, you would be taking in more carbohydrates, a medium amount of fats, and not so much protein. However, if you were a bodybuilder or a significantly bigger person, you would be taking in significantly less carbohydrates, a medium amount of fats as well, and a high amount of protein. This, in turn, will actually help you lose fat as well. Remember now, you must give your body what it needs to perform. If you don't, you will end up with tired, weak, and be prone to frustration because you won't have the energy to strength to work out. The better you fuel your body, the better it will serve you in your pursuit of fitness and health.